In today's world of AI, it really isn't about how you're going to serve someone. It is really about saying, I get you. I understand you. I feel what you're going through. And I understand that it's important for you, especially in healthcare, that you are HIPAA, if you're in the USA, compliant, and that you are passionate about what you do, providing a standard of excellence. But also, if you are in the UK, that you are GDPR compliant. We have ready-made AI agents that are built with privacy by design to protect you and your patients and your clients' data, whilst also automating the work. We want to enforce data minimization and purpose for you so that you can have your data protected only as and when needed, and to apply this to the role that it is based on, with least privileges access, so that users see only what they must see and need to see. So all data is and should be encrypted in transit and at its best with audit trail, and also tamper-evident logged for accountability. So ChatGPT-5, the new model, has now ensured that it is HIPAA GDPR compliant, where things don't need to be online 24/7. Things that don't need to be online, that can be seen by people that don't need to see this information, to protect your clients who you serve, as well as your staff members that are also providing you with their personal private data. This must be protected as much as possible within the laws that we are held accountable to ensure compliance. So this is the reason why I've created 34 AI agents that will work with your organization for you to really basically plug and play and ensure that the data is protected by your team, by your staff members. We're not here to take over. We're here to help you transition into AI and to help you to be GDPR compliant or HIPAA compliant, depending where you are around the world, for example. And we will help you and your team implement AI into your organization so that it is kept in-house and it is protected, and that you are ensuring that you are providing compliance. So they will operate with you under the GDPR or the HIPAA, if you're in the USA, for example, where required. So we will work with templates. We will provide you with templates as well, and also consistent workflows, and use with you in a way that is identification, so that for training and evaluation processes, that way you are in control. It is human led, and also it will have an incident response procedure with you, the vendor, ensuring security, due diligence, round governance. So if you're wanting to learn more about AI automation and insight without compromising confidentiality, integrity, or regulation expectations, then book a free demo here with me, and I will show you our AI audits as well as our AI agents, so that we can look at how we can work together within your organization to ensure that you are compliant and meeting your regulated activity throughout your organization. So just look here, there's a link here for you to book a free 15-30 minute demo where I will give you a free AI audit and work with you and your team and your organization to help it meet its goals, to ensure that you are bringing in AI into your organization from someone who has been in healthcare for over 35 years, and also to help you to create, we can also customize AI agents for your organization, because we understand that not everyone is the same and that you have different structures and procedures that you want to follow within your organization. So do book a free 15-minute appointment with me. I'm Christine Crowell, and I've been in healthcare for 35 years, and I want to help you to integrate AI into your organization in a compliant regulatory way. So I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care now. Bye.